Speech Pitch by Iska Sak.
Hi there, and welcome to Speech Pitch by Iska Sak. I'm Pascal, and today I have with me Nada Gohider. So Nada, please tell us a bit about your research and what you're presenting at Interspeech this year.
Hi, thank you for having me. I'm Nada Gohider. I'm PhD candidate in University of Waterloo. I have an accepted paper here in Interspeech 2025. I'm going to present on Wednesday, August 20, I believe. Today, just here taking like in general what's going on, and I heard about the speech festival, so I thought maybe it's a good idea to have my kids here participating in the hackathon for kids. I'm working on automatic speech recognition for people with speech disabilities. So I'm going to present my work, which is mainly about my participation in a challenge. It was like a challenge for automatic speech recognition for people with speech disabilities. So just I'm reporting my work.
Ah, cool, yeah. So you participated in the challenge, basically?
Yeah, I was part of that challenge. There's a big project called Speech Accessibility Project, collecting speech from people with speech disabilities. So that was the kind of opportunities to test our work on the new release data. And I'm here to present my work for that challenge.
Cool. How did you do at the challenge? What is your feeling?
Our team ranked fourth.
Okay.
Yeah, among about 22 teams, I believe.
Whoa,
yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah,
nice.
so
Congrats.
So we are reporting our participation in that challenge.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
And just in a nutshell, for the challenge, was there a very particular and special approach that you chose?
For my work, I'm using something called domain generalization. We're trying to adapt like models or systems trained on typical speech to get adapted to people with speech impairments, but using something called domain generalization. It's a big umbrella. There are like a wide range of techniques under this. We're trying to work on this using machine learning algorithms.
Cool. Yeah. So, I mean, if you made fourth place out of 22 participants, then it sounds like it is quite promising, or at least in the challenge, it did not too bad, right? At Interspeech in general, have you been often to Interspeech already, or is it the first time that you're going?
The conference?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's first time for me,
First time at Interspeech. Cool.
Yeah,
cool,
first time Interspeech, yeah. I'm very excited to be part of it, yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I mean, hope you're going to have a very great first conference then, of course.
Thank you.
And you also mentioned the hackathon already, right? Here at the Speech Science Festival. So
when I registered to the conference, I got like the general information on of it. It was like about having hackathon for kids. So I thought it's a good opportunity for my kids to get involved in this, and maybe they know a bit more about like the speech world.
Yeah.
So like something related to their mom research area. Yeah.
Yeah, indeed. I mean, that sounds quite fun.
And to get them busy during like the conference time.
Yeah, good opportunity.
Yeah.
I mean, let's keep that in mind for future Interspeech maybe.
Yeah.
So then, thanks a lot for your time and for your impression. I mean, congrats really on doing so well on the challenge.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
So hi, I am now joined by the two kids from Nada. We have Mohamed and we have Jasmine here. How old are you guys?
I'm 9 years old.
And I'm 13.
9 and 13, cool. And you just participated in the hackathon here at the Speech Science Festival, right?
Yes.
How was your experience with that in general? Like, what did you have to do?
Yes, it was really nice.
It was like very fun. We had to encrypt some code because there was, I believe, Martian it was called.
Yeah.
And we had a computer with some clues that we needed to use. And there was a voice audio that we encrypted, and then we turned it into movements for the robot to move around the track. Oh. So it was very fun, yeah.
Oh, cool, yeah, that sounds cool indeed. And did you guys work as a team together in that?
Yes.
Yeah, we did.
We had a team, I think it was of 3 for every person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And was there a particular challenge coming up for you guys? Was it all easy, or what was your impression? How well could you do the tasks?
Yeah, I tried my best, and yeah, there was a few struggles, and a few of them at the end I could do it.
Nice.
I mean, in the beginning, it was very hard. Like in the beginning, we had no clue because in the beginning, we actually did not have some of the voice audios. So we needed to transfer them into the computer and get the things working. But now it was like really good. And I believe if they finished now, I believe after this, I hope that we got first place.
Oh, wow. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. So the figures are not out yet, but it would be cool, of course, if you get a prize there. And is it the first time that you participate in such event?
Yes, it's the first time.
Okay. And by your reactions, it sounds like you really like it, right? Or how was it for you?
Yeah, it was nice. Like, at the start, since it didn't, like, there was something wrong, it was a little hard, but then after a bit, we figured it out, and
Yeah, so it's her first time doing something like this, and I know that this interspeech conference is under the idea of like speech recognition and using AI for speech recognition, and that's basically what we did today. And I've also done something like it before. They also have done studies and tests in the University of Waterloo back in Canada, which was really cool. I did it once, I think 2 years ago with my mom, where it was a robot that it was kind of a robot that had abilities like speech abilities used with AI, and it was asking us questions and we asked it back. But that was a long time ago. Of course, it's like all of it is more advanced now. So
yeah, I also did that, I'm pretty sure, with my dad though, not with my mom. And my dad works at Ramoa. And I did it with him one time, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, cool. So you had some experience with this before, and now you had some, like some hands-on yourself where you could really program the robot. And
it was really good and very fun. Me and my sister were very lucky to be here. We came driving from Germany into here, Netherlands, but very fun drive here, very fun activities here. Cool. I wish the best of luck for the people with the speech conference.
Yeah, cool. And I mean, thanks for participating as well with that young age. That's maybe a good start for a research career. Let's see.
Hopefully, yeah. We'll see.
Let's see what comes out of it. No,
maybe I can take it after my mom. Also become a speech engineer.
I think she likes to hear that for sure. Very cool. Yeah, thanks so much for being with us here today.
Yeah, thank you very much.
It was nice. Thank you.
And thanks for tuning in this bonus episode. We might be interviewing your favorite speech research in the future. So be sure to subscribe to wherever you listen to your podcasts. You can also follow ISCASEC on X and LinkedIn to stay updated. Until next time, have fun.
Speech pitch by ISCASEC.